Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to use door unlock feature on the following car and let me show you how to change it. Alright, so at the very beginning let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Now let's find here and select the settings icon. From the list of settings you can use the left side to navigate. Let's choose here the car icon to open the vehicle settings. From vehicle settings, let's select here the second option, which is the vehicle customization. And from vehicle customization, you can choose door unlock. As you can see, this is a security feature for the key fob. I'm using once operation, so typically it means that when you press the unlock button on your remote once, all doors in the car unlock simultaneously. But you can use the twice operation. This is like the two-stage unlocking, where the first press only unlocks the driver's door for safety. The second press unlocks the rest of the doors. So it could be quite useful sometimes in some cases, but I like to keep it simple, so I'm using this once operation. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.